So I was staying at an Airbnb in Scotland with my dog, enjoying my daily cup of coffee, making cafe lattes by this mini Nespresso machine. Yes, with simply made warm, frothy milk. It got me thinking, this is something I really, really want, but I don't necessarily need it. What is it about it that makes me want it so much? Reason number 1, it's mini and fits perfectly in a small kitchen. Reason number 2, the capsules can be recycled and used to help make more capsules. Reason number 3, coffeehouse style coffee in the comfort of my own couch and PJs. Lazy Sundays. Or lazy Mondays? Reason number 4, so many pod options. Seriously, what's your flavor? Reason number 5, it's Nespresso. What else? This video was not sponsored and is totally based on my own personal opinions.